Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, we are going to talk about menu. We will talk about how you can create a menu and how you can edit your menu and things like that. But first, let's just visit our website and see how our website looks. So this is the website and disclaimer page and home and privacy policy page. The entire top menu is just messed up. You want your home page to be at this side and you don't want privacy policy. You don't want disclaimer here. So we will fix all of this. We will remove the home page from the menu and we will clean our website. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll go to my dashboard and then I will hover over appearance and you have an option called menu. So just click on that and here we need to add a name. So I will add top menu. So top menu, and this menu will go on the top. And here just look at the display location, right? So this primary menu means the menu that goes at the top. So this is our primary menu. This is the primary location and we want this top menu to go in the primary location. So I will check this, and this is the option called add auto pages. So whenever you create a new page, if you want those pages to get automatically added on this menu, if you want that, then you can check this box, but I'm not going to do so because I don't want all my pages that I create in the future to get added in this menu. So I'll click on create menu. I've selected the primary menu, so create menu, and my menu is created. And now I will select some pages. So I will select the about us page here, and then I will select the contact us page, and then I will add a custom link. So I will click on the custom link here, and here I will go to the page, and then I will copy this the URL of the home page. So copy just like that, then right click and paste, and the link text will be home, and then I will click on add to menu. Now we will click on save menu. So click on save menu and go to your home page and then click on refresh. And now you can see that the entire menu has changed, but this isn't looking good. We don't want our home link here, so let's go ahead and change that. So to change that, we need to change the order here. So I'm going to drag this home button to the top, and then I will drag this about us to the top like this. Okay, and then I will click on save menu. Click on save menu, and the menu is saved. And then I will go back to my website, and then I will click on refresh, and now it is looking good. And you can also add categories. So you can go there, and then you can click on categories here, and then you can add your category. So I will click on tech here, and then I will click on add to menu, and this is now added. So I will just drag this to the top, just below home, like that. Not like that, this will be a sub menu, just like that. And I will click on save menu. So click on save menu and then go back, and now we have our tech category here. If you want a sub menu here, so if you want your Android to be the sub menu of the tech menu item, then you can do that as well. Let me show you. Just go to the menu and click on the category and then add a new category. By the way, you can also add a post and your pages. Just click on the pages here, and then you can add your pages. You can also add your post here like that, but I don't really recommend adding post to the menu. And here is our Android category. We will just drag this like that, just like that. And now you can see that this Android is the sub item of tech. Okay, so now just save the menu, save, and go back to your website and then click on refresh. And now you can see that the tech has a sub item called Android. Alright, so that's it for this video. Bye.